Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So to those who just watched my previous vlogs, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it that you guys still watching my channel. So today is very special because I've selected some of my favorite um Hot Wheels pickup trucks. So these sets that I've chosen are really special to me because they are the most favorite of all the Hot Wheels that I have, except for the Ferraris, of course, because these pickup cars have a big wheels like that. So let's start with the first one that I have here. This is the Ram 1500. So these pickup cars I really love because of their big wheels. So as you can see, the type of the wheel is blur. So I love collecting this kind of Hot Wheels pickup trucks because it looks very nice. So let's see the details of this pickup truck. So Ram 1500. By the way guys, the Dodge Ram 1500 was designed by Phil Reelman. So that's the designer of this very powerful Hot Wheels hot trucks. So from the series of hot trucks. So I'm going to show you the details of this car. There. It's very nice. I really like the design. Though it's not that attractive, the color, because it's just a gray and a combination of orange, but it's very nice. Skyjacker suspensions. I really like this car. I love collecting this Dodge 1500, but it's really hard to find this in the market, especially if you are just going to toy stores like Toy Kingdom or um, Toys R Us here in the Philippines. So it's very rare. I didn't usually see them a lot in the market because a lot of collectors are really collecting this kind of Hot Wheels, and of course the price of this is also a bit higher than the usual price of Hot Wheels, which is 119.75 pesos. So this one I bought it for 119.75, but if you're going to check it out online, the price is a little bit higher. Sometimes it's 250 pesos. So it's this or one of the trucks that are really hard to find already. So this is very nice. And I also have another one of this because I love collecting this Hot Wheels cars or trucks. So there. And the next one is also a Dodge Ram 1500, but this one is have a different design from the previous one that I've shown you. So I really love this car too, or truck. Though this one is a little bit simple than the other one because the design is not really that amazing compared to this one. So as you can see, the type of the wheels are different. So this one is an OR6SP and this one is a blur type of wheel there, but both of them are really nice. I really like it because it's very big compared to the trucks or the ordinary trucks that Hot Wheels are producing. So this one is very nice. Let's see the details of this car. So this one is from Malaysia. I think this one, the other one is from Thailand. No, it's also from Malaysia. There. So it's both from Malaysia. So Dodge Ram 1500. So I hope guys that you are able to get this kind of pickup truck because this one is really nice if you are collecting them. So this one I bought it for 99.75 pesos. This is one of my old Dodge Ram 1500. There. So this one is from Hot Wheels Off-Road. I really like it. Okay, the next one that I have here is the Ford 150. So this one have also the same big wheel type. There, as you can see, the size of the wheel is almost the same with the Ram, though this one is a little bit different because it's Ford F-150. But it's the size is very much the same with the Dodge 1500. I like the color blue. So this one is also from Malaysia. This is really nice. I like the design on the side of the car, of the truck. Team support vehicle, cycling team. This is awesome. Though the front part is also simple, like the rear part. So I think this one is a design of Ford or the Ford logo. Okay, the next one that I have, I also love this one, guys. This 1970 Dodge Power Wagon or Wagon. Not sure how do you pronounce it correctly. Wagon or it's a wagon. So same type of wheel, blur type, though the color is different. It's like a mud studs color of wheels. So the Goodyear and Dodge is very nice. The color, I love it. I super love it. I am not sure what the 70 represent. There. This one is from Baja Blazers. So simple design on top and front. Let's see on the rear part. Same. Just a plain design, a plain color. The design is only on the side of the truck. Very nice. I like it. There. It didn't have a price, so I don't know how much I bought it, but I think I bought it same price, 119.75 pesos at Toy Kingdom. This one is from Toys R Us. There, Toys R Us. So this one is also made in Malaysia. I really like the design of this car and the color. Very nice. Okay, so the last one that I have here, guys, is this one. I super love this one, guys. This is also a 1970 Dodge Power Wagon, and because I love it, it's from Mopar. So because I love it, I put a protector on it. But let's see, let's put it away, or let's put away the protector. So if you are really love putting protector on your cards for them not to be, to have a soft corners, so you can put the protector. I'm not sure if, I think it's only 50 pesos. So as you can see, guys, the type of the wheels is OR6SP. This one is really nice. I really like the color, the black color, and the combination of yellow. This really looks like a hot trucks. And this one is a little bit heavy compared to those that I've shown you guys. So maybe because it has a different packaging, or a different cord, I mean. Because this one is a Mopar and this one is the simple Hot Wheels car. So not sure how much I bought this one, because it didn't have a price anymore. There, it's 199.75 pesos. So that's the reason why the card is much nicer than the other one, and a hard one. And of course, this one is a heavy one. Okay, let's see the details of this car, or this truck. There, I love the color yellow on the rim part of the wheels. Mopar Dodge, very awesome. This is the front part. There, you can see it. Nice color. Black is really nice. It really looks elegant to any car that I bought. Especially if the color is very shiny, it really looks attractive. So this one is made in Thailand. So this one is the different one. There, it's made in Thailand. And this one is a little bit heavy. So I love collecting this one, but because the price is a little bit higher, it's really hard to find this kind of car also in the market. So I didn't usually see these cars. So not sure if I bought it online. So maybe I bought it online. This one is really nice. I like it, guys. I hope you also have this kind of Hot Wheels. And I really love collecting this big wheels, guys, because as you can see, it's very different from those regular cars or regular trucks that Hot Wheels have or released. So this one is really nice. So I have another set of this one. So you can check my next vlogs. I think that one is a Toyota. So I will also vlog those big wheels trucks in my next vlog. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you really like my Hot Wheels collection today. These are one of my special Hot Wheels collections, and of course I'm excited to show you more. So hope you stay tuned to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for those who subscribe already. So hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye guys, have a nice day.